When you add Business Central as an tool in Copilot Studio, it connects to one company. One, that's it. The agent works beautifully with just one company. But here's the problem. Most real world BC environments have multiple companies, like company A for local operations, company B for exports, and company C for a subsidiary company. So when you try to add tools for all of them, the agents get completely confused. Like at runtime, which company or which tools he will point to. So when we write a prompt like show me revenue of 2026, agent will randomly pick a tool. Like you can see, we have added two tools here, and agent will randomly pick one of these tool. And when we'll ask him to use give me revenue of company XYZ, he will not able to bring or switch to company. So in this video, we will be talking about how we can use multiple companies in a same agent with just instructions, no code, no extensions, no mess, just simple instructions. So now let me show you practically what will happen. So now I'll go to tools. You can see I've added two different tools. So one, this tool will points to company A, or this will point to company B. I'm just giving you an example. So now I'll go to test and I'll just simply say, show me revenue of 2026. Okay. So now agent doesn't know which tool to use. Like we have two tools, like, and agent will not ask us which company you are talking about. So agent will decide automatically randomly during runtime which company or which tool he will use. Now I just asked him to show me revenue of 2026. Let's see what happened. So now you can see our income statement is here. Our total revenue is 336. Okay. So now I'll ask him revenue of test company. So I'll just mention a company. Let's see what happened. I just ask him to give me revenue of test company. Let's see. So you see, our agent is randomly using our tool, and with this tool, Coronas USA or Coronas International Limited is connected. So now, even though I'll ask him, but he will not bring the test company. So now what we can do? We will just simply go to overview, and in overview I'll just write some instructions here. So I've already written instruction. I'll copy that, and now I'll paste these instructions. I'll edit and let me paste. So okay, let me just tell you what the instruction is. So I just ask him to do two things. So first one is, before calling any BC tool, agent must ask us which company we want to query. So he will ask a follow-up question, and I just let him know that we have two companies. And after that, I just told him, when I select Cronus USA, use this tool, and when you select dash company, use this tool. So you can see our two tools are different. So now I'll save, and so now I'll test, and I will open a new test session. And as you can see, our instructions there is successfully saved. So now show me revenue. Just I'll say show me revenue of 2026. So you see, he will ask us follow-up questions. So I'll just let him know that I just want to know the test company's revenue. And our, you can see our revenue is zero. Why? Because I just created this test company from blank, and this company has, I think, no data, at least no customer ledger entries or vendor ledger entries. So I think I just created few vendors or customers to test, and yet you can see list of vendors. Now he already know the context of company, and you can see I just created a few test vendors for test company. list of vendors for Coronas USA Inc. And you can see it. He will bring the vendors from Coronas. Okay, so you can see we have 12 vendors in Coronas, and we have like 5 vendors in test company. And like with just instructions, we can use multi-company MCP in a single agent. So I think our test is done. Let's